Your 20s are strange. You're technically an adult. You can vote, sign contracts, get a loan. Yet most of the big life decisions you make in this decade happen with absolutely no experience. Everyone tells you your 20s don't matter, or you have loads of time. But that's exactly why so many people sleepwalk into financial problems they could have easily avoided. Today, we're breaking down the 10 biggest money mistakes people make in their 20s, the mistakes that quietly sabotage their 30s and 40s, and what to do instead. Let's get straight into it. First mistake: spending to look successful instead of becoming successful. If you want to understand this mistake, go to any city center on payday weekend. People are dressed to impress, ordering rounds, buying clothes they'll wear twice, and posting every moment on Instagram. It's the highlight reel addiction. In your 20s, it's easy to confuse appearance with reality. A lot of people spend years buying things that signal success: new phones, new cars, designer clothes, while their bank account screams for help. The problem with this? When you spend money to look ahead, you fall behind. Success is built in silence. Learning skills, saving consistently, building habits, investing early. The flex is freedom, not fashion. Try this shift. Before buying anything expensive, ask, does this move me forward, or does it only make me look like I'm moving forward? That question alone has saved people thousands. Second mistake: underestimating time, especially compound interest. When you're 20 or 25, the future feels miles away. Retirement? Investments? That's future me's problem. But compound interest is brutal to people who start late. Starting at 22 with €200 a month can get you the same outcome as starting at 28 with €600 a month. The difference isn't effort, it's time. Most financial regret from people in their 30s and 40s sounds like, I wish I started earlier. Not, I wish I invested more aggressively. Just earlier. You don't need to be perfect. Just get the clock running. Even small amounts compound into something large if you give them enough years. Third mistake: staying in low-paid jobs for the experience. Your 20s are for growing your value, not stagnating in places that don't reward you. There's a difference between staying to build skills and staying because you're scared to leave. A lot of people spend way too long in jobs that pay nothing and go nowhere simply because they feel loyal or comfortable or afraid of trying something new. Here's a rule that works. If your pay, responsibilities, or skills aren't progressing after 12 to 18 months, it's time to move. You don't have to job hop every year, but you shouldn't chain yourself to a role that isn't growing you. Your 20s determine your earning trajectory for the next decade. A good jump early is worth more than scraping small raises for years. Fourth mistake: misusing credit cards, either abusing them or avoiding them. Most people swing to one extreme. They either treat credit cards like free money, or avoid them completely because they're scary. Both strategies lose. Using credit cards recklessly can trap you in years of interest. But avoiding credit entirely leaves you with no credit history, which makes renting, loan approval, and even some job checks harder. The win is in the middle. Use a credit card. Only spend what you already have. Pay it off in full every month. That builds credit quietly, safely, and automatically. Credit cards are dangerous when misused, but a superpower when used correctly. Fifth mistake: letting fixed costs quietly eat your entire income. Subscriptions, rent, car payments, phone plans, gym memberships, streaming services you forgot you even had. Individually, nothing seems bad, but fixed costs accumulate like snow, slowly at first, then suddenly your monthly expenses look like a mortgage. A big mistake people make is upgrading their lifestyle at the same speed their income grows. Get a raise, get a nicer apartment. Get a bonus, get a newer car. Soon, every cent is spoken for before it even hits your account. The people who end up wealthy aren't always the highest earners. They're the ones who protect their gap, the space between what they earn and what they spend. If you get a raise and your expenses don't change, that's where wealth comes from. Sixth mistake, avoiding financial literacy because it's boring. School teaches you trigonometry, but not how a pension works, how tax is calculated, how interest adds up, what a mortgage actually costs, what an ETF is. So most people hit adulthood completely unprepared. Not understanding money doesn't mean you're stupid, it means you were never taught. But ignoring it is expensive. You don't need to become a financial expert. You just need to understand the basics. How to budget, how to build credit, how investing works, how taxes affect take-home pay, how to avoid debt traps, how to read your payslip, how your pension grows. Learning these once saves you thousands. 10 hours of learning in your 20s can save you 10 years of regret in your 30s. Seventh mistake, comparing your timeline to everyone else's. Nothing ruins your financial judgment faster than comparing your life to people your age. You see people your age buying houses, driving new cars, getting married, traveling constantly, and you think you're behind. But everyone's story has context you don't see. Parents helping with deposits, inheritance, partners splitting costs, credit card debt behind the scenes, jobs with higher risk, huge loans hidden off screen. Trying to match someone else's lifestyle without their circumstances is how you go broke. Your 20s are not a race. Focus on foundation, not comparison. Slow progress is still progress. And the people who stay disciplined, even quietly, almost always pull ahead later. Eighth mistake, playing life too safe or too reckless. This mistake has two versions. Version A, being too safe. Some people are so afraid of making mistakes that they avoid all risk. Never switching jobs, never moving city, never starting a side project, never trying a business, never investing, never negotiating, never asking for opportunities. Being overly cautious feels safe, until you realize you trapped yourself in the same place for years. Version B, taking reckless risks. On the flip side, some people go all in on crypto, meme stocks, dropshipping courses, or business ideas with zero research. Your 20s are the perfect time to experiment, yes, but it should be calculated. The sweet spot. Take risks that won't destroy you if they fail, but will grow you if they succeed. That's how you build confidence and momentum. Ninth mistake, thinking saving alone will make you wealthy. Saving money is important. It's stability, it's safety, it's breathing room. But saving alone won't build wealth. Inflation quietly chips away at the value of your cash every year. People who rely solely on savings accounts eventually realize they've been running in place. The key is both. Saving equals protecting your downside. Emergency fund, short-term goals, security. Investing equals creating upside. Compounding, growth, long-term freedom. Even small, consistent contributions to a diversified portfolio beat cash sitting in a bank. You don't have to pick stocks or time the market. You just need to invest regularly, automatically, and with patience. Money grows in silence, not with hype. 10th mistake, living only for the moment, ignoring the future version of you. Your 20s feel endless until they're gone. A lot of people justify every purchase with, "I'll figure it out later." But later arrives faster than expected. The future version of you is real, and he will either thank you for the habits you built or resent you for the mess you left him. This doesn't mean you need to live like a monk. Enjoy your 20s. Travel, go out, have fun, but do it with intention, not autopilot. Small consistent choices now create massive freedom later. Here's the truth that no one tells you. Your 20s don't need to be perfect. They just need to avoid the mistakes that cost you decades. You don't need to be wealthy in your 20s. You just need to build habits that future you will be grateful for. Spend less than you earn, invest early, learn continuously, keep fixed costs low, take smart risks, build credit, don't chase approval, play the long game. If you can do even a few of these, you're already ahead of 90% of people your age. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe, there's much more coming.